Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to change the frame rate on a GIF in Photoshop, step by step. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more useful Photoshop tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open your GIF in Photoshop. To do this, simply go to File, then Open, and select the GIF you want to edit. Once the file is open, you'll see your GIF frames in the Timeline panel. If the Timeline panel isn't visible, go to Window in the top menu and select Timeline. Step 2. Click on the menu icon in the top right corner of the Timeline panel. You'll see an option called Set Timeline Frame Delay. Here you can set the delay for each frame. For example, to increase the speed, reduce the frame delay to a lower number, like 0.05 seconds. To slow it down, increase the delay to something higher, like 0.2 seconds. You can adjust it for individual frames or select all frames if you want the same delay across the entire animation. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.